How's it going? This is Allan at mindvisionmedia.net, and this tutorial we're going to talk about the call to action button. Yes, that dreaded big old blue button that comes with the default responsive theme from Theme ID. I'm going to show you how to edit that, and I get a lot of questions about it. How to change the text or the title, how to add links, different types of links, and also how to change the color. Not everybody wants a big blue button on their website. They might want to coordinate it with their theme colors or whatever graphics they may have. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. So let's start with going to, I'm in my dashboard for the responsive theme. We're going to go to Appearance and Theme Options. Once you're in Theme Options, you want to click on Home Page, and if you scroll down, you'll see Call to Action URL and Call to Action Text. Okay, we'll deal with the URL second. First of all, let's change the title. That's what this is, Call to Action Text. So that's what's currently on the button right there, Call to Action. Click back over, you see it says it right there. Alright, so let's go here and change that to something else. Name this button whatever you want. Okay, we'll go ahead and save that, and we'll switch back over to the website, and we'll refresh, and there you have it. Name this button whatever you want. Okay, the button is a stretch button, known as a stretch button, so it will adjust to however much text you put in there. Keep in mind you don't want to put too much text in there. You just want to go keep your margins in mind and aesthetics. But the title will accommodate whatever text you want to put in there for the button. Okay, so now let's check out the links. So, Call to Action URL. I'm just going to delete that. It's just a code for no link. And let's say you wanted to link to one of your pages in your site. Let's start with that. Let's say you want it to link to your news page. Okay, the way you find that is you go to your news page, and up inside your browser there's the address for your news page. You just want to highlight that, copy it, paste it in to your call to action URL option. Alrighty, so let's see. I forgot to copy that. Sorry, I'm multitasking here as usual. Okay, so I pasted in the link to my news page for this local installation. Let me go ahead and save that. Click back over. Let's go back to the home page. And now if we click on the button, it takes us to our news page, just like I told it to do. Okay, now let's say you want it to go to like maybe Google or something like that. Well, just go ahead and go to Google. Copy the link or the address from your browser address bar. Copy that. Go back into your home page and paste in the address for Google. Go ahead and save that. Go back to our website, we'll go back to the home page, and now if you click on that, it takes us to Google. Okay, so it's just that simple to add links and change the text for the call to action button. Alrighty, now let's go back to the site, and now for the one question I get the most about this call to action button. How do I change this color? My site is green. I don't want a blue button. You know, my site is yellow. I don't want a blue button. Here's how we're going to do that. We're going to go right in to our dashboard, go to Appearance. We're going to Editor. Okay. If you've watched any of my other tutorials, you're kind of familiar with the Editor section here. I'm using my local installation, but for you it should still be the same. Front page PHP. Okay. You want to get that. It used to be called homepage home.php, I believe, but it's front page PHP now, and you'll be able to identify it because it has your widgets in there. Your home widget 1, home widget 2, home widget 3, featured content, stuff like that. Alright, so what we're going to do, once you're in the file, you want to press Control A and Control C, make a copy, paste it in Notepad, make a copy for yourself, so in case you make a mistake, you can always put your original file back in place. Alright, or work on your child theme. Okay? Now, click inside, press Control F, as in Frank. Control F. And I want you to type call -to -action. Call -to -action. And click Find Next. And what this tool allows you to do is quickly find the section you want to work on, and that's the section we want to work on. Call -to -action. Alrighty? So as you can see right here, what does it say? Blue button. Now the one cool thing, or I should say another cool thing about WordPress, is there are a lot of globals built into the style of the theme that you're using. So I'm sure themes vary slightly between themselves, but for the most part you should be able to use this edit on most WordPress themes, but specifically we're doing the responsive theme from Theme ID today. Alrighty, so blue, huh? Let's change that to green. Let's try that. Okay, we'll update. Go back to our website. Refresh the page. And what do you know? I got a green button. I know you guys are saying, oh my god, it can't be that simple. Yes it is. Let's change that to red. Okay. Let's update that. Let's go back here, refresh. Wow, nice red button. Ooh, much better than that blue, huh? And let's keep going. Let's change it to gray. Okay. Let's update that. Go back and refresh. Now I got a gray button. Wow. Pretty nice. And see how each color has its own gradient overlay for the rollover effect. Okay, so you don't have to worry about any of that. That's all built into the global settings of this particular theme. They did a really good job on style. Okay, let's keep going. Let's change that to yellow. Okay, back, refresh, and a nice yellow button. Okay, let's try it again. Let's do gold. Okay, and I'm doing this just to show you that these color names are just simply built right into WordPress. Built right into the theme there. So all you got to do is change the name of the color you want, basically. And let's see. I'm gonna try to catch it with a color it doesn't have here. Let's try brown. Ooh, wow. And see, it has the overlay and the gradient for the rollover. Okay, so that's the call to action button. I hope this tutorial was helpful. It's really easy to change that, modify that, and change the colors to match your theme and the layout and the colors that you got going on. Alright, so I hope that was helpful. I hope that answered a lot of questions and made that really simple for you. Alright, if you got any questions, hit me up at mindvisionmedia.net through my contact page. Browse the site while you're there. I got some cool resources, great information. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.